What's up, Faith Team? It's T, and in today's video, I am here to give you the last revenue update of 2024. We'll kick it off with how much YouTube paid me for December. It is December 31st, so last day of the year. I want you guys to have an amazing new year to come, but here's how much I made in December. And I am very grateful because usually, like I said in previous videos, it takes me at least 5 months to reach that $100 threshold. The last couple of months, it's only been taking me like 2 months. So this is confirmation that I'm halfway there, almost halfway there. So hopefully we can go ahead and secure that $100 bag in January so that it can stay consistent with the 2 months and then begin to get to 1 month and so on and so forth. I hope that you were able to accomplish everything you wanted to accomplish in 2024, but if you did not, it's okay because the new year is coming and you still have an opportunity. If you made it this far and you didn't give up on your YouTube journey, then there's still a chance for you to continue to grow. I am always encouraging new and small content creators to keep going on their journey. I know that sometimes it's a little discouraging when the views are low and the subscribers are coming and going, but I am here and we have a huge community of people to help support you. The Faith Team will be down in the comments to let you know that they are there to support. Go ahead and type teamwork if you're new here and you don't know how we get down. We love to support each other, and that's just how we do. I hope that these numbers will help to encourage you on your journey. If you're not monetized yet, just something that you can look forward to. I'll go ahead and tell you guys now how much I made for the entire year on YouTube. Yeah, so let's jump into those numbers right now. I also want to show you how many subscribers I gained this year, which I'm super excited to share. Yeah, so those are just a few of my numbers. I'm really happy to be on this journey with you guys. I definitely enjoyed the challenge of uploading every day for the last few months. I did fall off here and there with the holidays and everything, but I still was pretty consistent, even if I was just posting on the community tab. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in for all of my daily content. I plan to continue to keep that same energy into the new year and maybe even uploading multiple times a day to see if that will help me grow a little bit faster. Also, if you guys see me in the comments with my trading channel, feel free to subscribe to that channel as well. We just reached about 172 subscribers. I put it here. And we're growing. So hopefully in 2025, I can get that channel monetized as well. One of the main reasons I started that channel is so that I can start the journey over with you guys so that we can just grow together and I can help you in real time get your channel monetized as I am getting my new channel monetized. Because I know sometimes it's hard to relate when you have somebody who's already monetized. It's like, well, you already made it. Yeah, so I'm going through that process with you guys as well. If you have any questions or concerns for me about monetization, definitely comment down below and let me know. I'm always here to help. In the meantime, cheers to 2025. Happy New Year. Listen out to your beat, and that's me naturally. Blessings.